Real quick tip, part 2, guys. I should have put it as part 1, but so this is the aftermarket or the replacement N55 boot. But as you can see here, there's remnants of the rubber boot on there. See it right in there? So you want to get rid of that stuff, right? So what I'm going to use, I'm trying to hold this phone between my knees here, so hold on. I'm going to use, this is just a door pick, or like, it's just a plastic pick. You can get it on eBay, you can get it online, you get Amazon, Home Depot, you can get them almost anywhere. So it's just hard plastic. There's no sharp edges or anything, so it's not going to score the body. Let me get this thing in focus. And you just kind of push back and forth here. And then once you get it going, it kind of comes off with your fingers. See? So it's kind of coming clean right there. So anyways, you want it to be like this, right? Nice and clean before you put the other boots on. Sorry, it's having a hard time focusing. So, you're going to have spots like right there where there's old rubber left over. So you're just going to want to just rub it off. You're not trying to scratch the plastic or anything. See how it just comes off like that, and then you just use your finger and it just comes right off. All right, so that's one thing I thought I should pass along. We want those, since it's high voltage, we want this to be super clean, right? All right, that's it. Stay tuned. There'll be part 3.